Hi guys, I am back with another dip powder mani. So before we get started, guys, I always apply peel base on top of my builder gel. When I'm using dip powder, I usually do 2 coats, gel polish 1 coat, just for easy removal. So the color I'm going to be using today is Pink Puffy Fluffy from the Triple D January Diva box, along with Triple D Delicate dip liquids, and these are for people who are sensitive to dip liquids that develop dip flu. I have used these probably 3 times now, and I did not develop any dip flu symptoms. So because this jar is small, I am using a disposable nail tray, and I will be laying my finger flat in that tray to apply the dip powder. Again, these are slow drying liquids, low odor liquids, so they are slow drying liquids. Good for those that want to take their time. I normally take my sweet old time applying my dip base because I want to make sure I have my nails good and coated. And I also again use a USB fan in front of my desk, so I will dip in front of my desk, on top of my desk. This little small fan fits in your hand, and when I lay my fingers flat, I find that when I using low odor dip liquids, because they are slow drying, using that fan will help with the drying process. And usually takes about maybe 5 minutes between each coat. And so I'm using my water marbling tool. Well, actually, that's not a water marbling tool. That's from Paramount Dips. I got another cuticle cleanup tool. Works well. You can use an orange wood stick. You can use a toothpick. You can use the smallest end of a dotting tool. It does not matter as long as you clean up the cuticle area, because if you're not using peel off base coat and you're doing this on your regular natural nails, you want to make sure that you keep the cuticle area as clean as possible. So I'm not going to do all my nails on camera. I think I just do 3. I'll brush off excess, and then I'll go on with a second coat. So guys, just hang out with me and I'll be back. So guys, while I sped this part of the video up for the second coat, I haven't introduced myself in a while. Hi guys, my name is Tish. I am not a nail technician, as you can clearly see. I am a nurse who loves to do my nails at home. You may be like, you're a nurse with all those long fingernails? Listen, I sit at the computer and I help people via the phone or the computer all day. So I no longer do provide direct patient care. So for those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you have hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys like this video. So those of you that are not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. Thank you for hanging in there with me, guys, both new subscribers and existing subscribers. I appreciate you all. You just don't know how much. So after I did that second coat, I'm going in and applying Triple D Delicate Activator. I don't know if the activator is considered delicate, but I know on the site it says don't mix any other activator with this set. I guess it's designed to work with each other. So this actually came in, their liquids came in a set. So I got the dip the delicate base, the activator, and the delicate top coat in one set. I think it retailed for like $30, I believe. And this dip powder is a thermal. So after I've done my filing and buffing and removed excess filing dust from my nails, I'm going in and using a plate from What's Up Nails. I wanted to get the X's and O's on there, and I'm going to use a color from Clear Jelly Stamper. The color is Slate Gray, and I have my little pink cotton balls there from Sparkle & Co. And I'm going in and cleaning up, wiping my nail plate off with acetone. I think this is my first time using it, but you always want to clean your plate off with acetone first. So this color is Slate Gray. I got this color from Clear Jelly Stamper. I thought that would look good against that light pink color, and so I'm just applying the color. I'm going to use my scraper card and scrape at an angle and gently pick up the image, and I will place that on my nail. Now the first one I placed on my middle finger, it didn't quite fit. It was kind of short, so what I did off camera, I removed that, and then I placed the image closer to my free edge and then filled in the gap on my cuticle area. I hate I didn't record that, but my apologies. Just because the image is shorter doesn't mean you can't go in with the stamp again and kind of line it up as best as possible. I did as best as I could with doing that. So I'm just going in and repeating that as I want to apply the stamp to my pinky finger as well. And then before I apply any type of top coat, smudge free or gel or delicate top coat, I will clean up excess polish from my skin and the cuticle area. And I'm just using a sticky stamper pad there. You can use a lint roller to remove the excess polish from your stamper head. And I'm just cleaning my plate with acetone. You always want to use 100% acetone. So I'm going in with you look at that cute little teddy bear. Came in Daily Charm mystery box. I'll link that video in the cards if you would like to see what came in that Valentine's Day mystery box. But I'm using Daily Charm Jewelry Gel in a tube, and I'm just applying Daily Charm's Diamond Shine No Wipe top coat. I believe that's a 30-second cure, but I'll go ahead and cure all nails for 60 just to be on the safe side. And I'm not really going over the glob of jewelry gel. I'm just going around it, and so I'm applying that top coat to the rest of my nails. I didn't like this top coat at first, but I find that sometimes it provides a nice shine there. So after I get those coated, I'm going to go in and place the teddy bear with my tweezers, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. Isn't that teddy bear so cute? I like it. I thought it was cute. Y'all might not like it, but I like that stuff. I like being extra. So guys, after my nails have cooled off in the lamp, or cured in the lamp and cooled off, you want to go in and apply your favorite cuticle oil. So you guys will definitely have to let me know what you think. Please like this video. Leave a comment down below. What do you think? And you want to subscribe to my channel, please. And thank you. It is free. So with this cuticle oil, y'all, it takes me forever to use up Candy Skincare cuticle oil. I done had this eucalyptus stick. I only use it when I do my nails, which I usually do them once a week. Sometimes I might do twice, but it's still there, and I have several more sticks. So every day in day out, I normally use Bliss Kiss because I keep it on my keyboard so that after I go to the bathroom, wash my hands, lotion them up, I'll moisturize my cuticles. I sit it on my keyboard as a reminder. But anyway, so guys, remember, let me know what you think. Leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe. So I hope you guys like it. And then I will see you guys next time. Maybe I'll get another Valentine's Day video in after this one. We'll see, because it's still early. It's kind of mid-January when I did this video. But guys, before you go, I have me a cup of warm water, and because this is a temperature changing dip powder, I'm going to stick my hands in the cup of water so you can see how it looks. It turns into like a really pale, it might even be white. It looks like a really pale pink. But so you just see how the change looks. This is really neat. I kind of freaked my husband out. He was like, I got out the shower, it was hot, and so my nails were white. He was like, what's wrong with your nails? They weren't that color. I was like, it's temperature changing. Chill out.